24 years old. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Isa mo lakas sa palakpakan naman po dyan, everyone. Alright, so this time around, of course, I would like to take this opportunity, of course, to introduce first myself. I'm JP Blarmino, your host for this evening celebration. I'd like to present to you the member of our panel of judges. So, kindly picture lang po muna, sir. Yes. Maraming salamat po. And to give our opening remarks for tonight.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa lahat ng mga nandito sa aming Kalambagong Boyani Bazaar Festival. Kami po ng Rotary Club of Calamba City Premier ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa dumalo at sa aming proyekto. Asahan niyo po sa lahat na magkakaroon pa kami ng maraming activities na tuwang kakagalak lahat ng mga narito at sa mga bazaar at mga tennis namin.
We have 20 points, costume and props, 30 points. Street performance, yun po pinaglabanan nila during the street kanina. So we have 25 points, and the showdown performance will be the 25 points of total of 100 points. So that is the criteria for judging for tonight. Hindi ko na po patatagalin. Let's begin the battle of the Queen of the Mardi Gras 2024 or Kalambagong Boyani Mardi Gras 2024. Let's start with candidate number 1. Candidate number 1 is from Panetero, Calamba City.
Festival of the Philippines. My name is Lorraine Torres, representing Tugigaraw. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, candidate number 1 is coming from Bangladesh, Tugigaraw. Miss Lorraine Torres. Number 2. Candidate number 2 is from Calamba City.
costume is Sinulog Festival of the Philippines. Ang Sinulog ay isa sa pinakamalaking selebrasyon na inaabangan ng mga Cebuano at deboto ng mapaghimalang Senyor Santo Niño. Ang Sinulog Festival ay pinagdiriwang tuwing ikatlong linggo ng Enero bilang pagbibigay pugay sa imahe ni Senyor Santo Niño. Good evening, Ma'am and Sir, and in between, standing here in front of you, I'm 28 years old young stunner, all the way from Barangay Look, Calamba, Probinsya ng Laguna. But tonight, my name is Angel Estipona, na nagiiwan ng isang katagang mahirap magpakalalaki kung hindi ka naman tunay na lalaki. Mahirap magpakababae kung hindi ka naman tunay na babae. Ngunit ang pinakamahirap sa mundo ay ang magpakatao kung hindi mo naman kayang irespeto ang sarili mo bilang isang tao. My wearing costume is Sinulog Festival of the Philippines, and I am your candidate number 2. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Coming from Mamati, Cabuyao, Laguna. Again, reminders, candidate, you have 1.5 minutes for the grand showdown.
Of Calamba, good evening. Nagmula pa po sa bayan ng Cabuyao, City of Laguna, my name is Joshua Hermano. Ang akin pong kasuotan ay nagmula pa po sa Cebu City, ang Sinulog Festival. Viva Pete Senyor! Thank you so much, candidate number 3. Next in line is candidate number 4, coming from Poblacion 2, Cabuyao, Laguna.
talaga ang nag-iisang kabugera ng inyong buhay. Ako po si Icy Kabugera, nagmula sa Poblasyon 2. Ang aking po kasuotan ay nagmula sa Anilag Festival. And I thank you.
The showdown begins now. Number 4. Let's all welcome candidate number 6 coming from Poblacion 2, Cabuyao, Laguna. Or rather, candidate number 5.
Mga bayani ng ating lahi, sama-sama nating ipagpunyi
ang talino at tapang itaglay at tangkil ay di itaglay at
Hello, hi, people of Calamba, Laguna. Good evening, honorable panel of judges. This is your baby girl, Arnie Garcia, who living fascinated, majestic way. Beautiful places from Barangay Mamatid, Cabuyao, province of Laguna. But today, please do allow me to stand of a girl of honor, years of 18-year-old stunner. But tonight, this is the festival costume that I wear tonight. The Honor Santo Niño, the Sinulog Festival. At bago ko po lisanin ang 4 na sulok ng entabladong ito, nais ko lamang ho mag-iwan ng ilang katotohanan na ang lalaking hindi marunong tumingin sa kanya pinanggalingan ay tiyak na tulala sa aking kagandahan. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat. Sinulog Festival.
The showdown begins now. Let's give a big hand to candidate number 6
ng ating lahi, sama-sama
from Barangay Mamatid,
nating
Sultan Kudarat.
ang talino at tapang itaglay at tangkil ay di itatanggi sa Calamba ng galing.
Sigat Jose Rizal, ang pambansang bayani, inalay ang buhay.
Buhay ay buhay na buhay ang bayani.
gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po, si Princess Clara Langgaman, nakatira sa Poblasyon 2, lungsod ng Cabuyao, probinsya ng Laguna. Ang aking pong kasuotan ay yari sa Resipto Materiales at ito ay binubuo ng balat ng sorbetes, straw na gamit sa inumin, pong at bakal. At dito sa probinsya ng Bicol, ipinagdiriwang ang Peña Francia Festival. And I thank you!
The showdown begins now. Number 6.
Sigat Jose Rizal, ang pambansang bayani, inalay ang buhay.
Give way to candidate number 7. Coming from Barangay Baclaran, Cabuyao, Laguna.
Hello, hi, mabuhay, people in Calamba, Laguna. My name is Natalie Cantalejo, 18 years old, nakatira sa Barangay Baclaran, Cabuyao, Laguna. Ako ay naniniwala sa tatlong kataga. My festival is Bankero Festival. The Bankero Festival of Pagsanhan, Laguna is held during of March. And it is inspired and dedicated to all Bankeros. Again, my name is Natalie Cantalejo and I thank you.
The battle begins now. Give way to candidate number 8.
Mga bayani.
Candidate number 8 is coming from Santa Rosa City of Laguna.
Ay di mo tatanggi sa kalamba na
Isang maganda at mapagpalang gabi sa ating lahat. Ako po, si Queen Marla Melendres. 29 na taong gulang mula sa bayan ng Santa Rosa, probinsya ng Laguna. Ang aking kasuotan po ay nagmula sa Navotas City, na kung saan ito po ay kinikilala ang kanilang mga patis at bagoong at itinuturing na kapital sa pangingisda ng Pilipinas. Mga mahal kong manonood at mga mahal kong hurado, ang aking kasuotan po ay inirerepresenta ang Pangisdaan Festival na ipinagdiriwang tuwing ika-16 ng Enero upang ipagdiwang ang pagkakatatag nito bilang Fishing Capital of the Philippines. Muli po, ako, si Queen Marla Melendres, na nagsasabing kung gusto nyo pong maging masaya, piliin nyo pong maging masaya. Kaya't halina, tara na't magsaya sa Kalambagong Buhayani. Arriba Kalambeño! Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Kennedy. Number 8. The battle begins now. Thank you so much, Kennedy. Number 8.
Mga bayani.
This time around, let's all warm up and give a big round of applause to Kennedy, number 9, coming from Barangay Ligaw, Calamba City. Microphone, please.
Siya Jose Rizal, ang pambansang bayani, inalay ang buhay at di nagpaapi.
Wearing a national, creative, or festival costume, you should not just wearing it, but you should know the sense of it. And I believe that gold symbolizes richness. So I am proud to represent the city that is very rich in culture and tradition. The city by the bay, one of the richest city in the Philippines, and the home of the Buhayani Festival of the Philippines, Calamba, province of Laguna. This is Diwa, saying from the bottom of my heart, may God bless us all, and I love you all. Thank you so much.
The battle begins now. much, candidate number 9. And this time, the last but definitely not the least, let's give a big, big hand to candidate number 10.
Mga bayani ng ating lahi, sama-sama nating ipagpunyi
Ang talino at tao Kaya natin ay di itatanggi Sa kalambangan
Microphone, please.
Hello? Kari ba? Kalamba? Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Lalo na po yung kumakain. Sa ating pong mga judge. Magandang gabi po. Ako po ay si Tere Pabella, nagmula po sa Dapdap West, Tagaytay City. Ang aking kasuotan po ay nagmula sa bayan ng Iloilo. Ang Ati-Atihan Festival! Hello!
Alright, the battle begins now. Number 10. So this time around, may I call on all the 10 lovely candidates again on stage. Bareback dress and all. Only the hair dress. All the candidates, please, on stage. Starting off with candidate number 1, Lorraine Torres. Candidate number 2, Angel Estepoda. Candidate number 3, Joshua Hermano. Candidate number 4, Icy Labugara. Candidate number 7, Natalia Antalejo. Candidate number 8, Green, Carla Melendres. Candidate number 9 is Ila Hilmo. And candidate number 10, the other than Miss Aaron Isabella. Again, candidates on stage, please. All the candidates, candidate number 1, double time, please. kung hindi dahil sa ating Rotary Club of Calamba City Premier People's Action. Palakpakan naman po natin silang lahat. For this time around, let's have a final battle on this stage. Give some space, ladies, please. Candidate number 1, candidate number 2. Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Let's proceed with candidate number 3. Thank you so much, candidate number 3. Next in line is candidate number 4. Thank you so much, candidate number 4. Let's begin with candidate, or let's proceed with candidate number 5. Candidate number 5, followed by candidate number 6. Next in line is candidate number 7. Iba ka na Maxi. Candidate number 8. Thank you so much, candidate number 8. Now let's see candidate number 9. Thank you so much, candidate number 9, and last but not least, candidate number 10. Festival Mardi Gras Parade. So thank you so much, candidates. So take some rest. Bago Buhayani Grand Mardi Gras Parade will receive 7,000 pesos in cash plus the special certificate. So before we announce the winner, of course, the score is final and irrevocable, of course, no? But then, the tabulation sheet is open to you to check. Okay, the official tabulation sheet for some questions. But, please, ladies, in a proper way. Alright? So, for the second runner-up, score of 91.32%. no other than candidate number. Drum roll again. Candidate number 1. President, ito po yung candidate na manalo. Sorry lang. Pakita picture po. And for the first runner-up, garnering score of 91.66%, no other than candidate number candidate number 10. Yes, opo, kayo po yun, opo. Wala na po diba? Ayaw na po ba? Ay, ayaw na po. Okay. And for the Grand Champion of Kalambagong Buhayani Grand Mardi Gras Parade. Again, to all the candidates, maraming salamat po for all your support. But then, all the consolation prize, pakikuha na lang po mamaya sa amin sa harapan. Ano po? So, again, the winner for the Kalambagong Buhayani Grand Mardi Gras Parade is no other than candidate number muli po, magsama-sama po muli tayo sa mga susunod na activity all throughout the June. Sana po yung mga mukhang ulit yan ang aming makasama, no? So, muli po, maraming salamat po at palakpakan naman po natin. Of course, the Rotary Club of Calamba City Premier, palakpakan naman po natin sila. Kung hindi dahil sa kanila, wala po tayong kagandang programa ngayong gabing ito. Again, also we would like to acknowledge, of course, the presence of our Madam Barbie. Oh, 1-5 ako dyan. Charing lang. Okay. So, this is it. Cornering score of 99%. Drum roll, please. Candidate number 9. Coming from Barangay Tagumon, Kira Hilton. Tingka, rather. Okay, magaling. Please, let's have a quick photo.